Well, hello. Today we're going to take a look at the T-Bird Tossup track set. In 1978, this was released with the white T-Bird. So with that on the package, it has the white T-Bird, and it also came with the white Thunderbird in the box for the track set. The year after, 1979, you would get the yellow one, and it would also have the yellow car on the outside of the package. So only 1 year for the white one. So we're going to take a look at the white variation first. Well, this is the only variation we're going to check today. We'll probably run both cars down the track. That'd be cool. Take a look at the box, see what comes in the box. Okay, this track set obviously has a jump, but it also comes with a loop. So you got your launcher and a loop and a jump. We'll see if we can try to get it around the loops. I never have good luck with that. And it's got to make it across the jump too. Take a look at the outside of the box. Pretty cool artwork. So it's got a little bit of water staining on it. Not bad. And that's pretty much going to have the same pictures on this side and that side. Alright, let's get the track together. Alright, we've got our track set up. It's time to launch some cars. I think the first section is supposed to have 2 pieces of track. I only put 1 just in case it didn't make the loop. I think I got it good. So we're going to try it right now. Looks like the white one's the winner. I'm going to try the yellow one now. See if we can get that one to go around. Oop, that one didn't make it this time. Try the yellow one again. Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, thanks for watching. Starring the yellow 57 T-Bird and the white 57 T-Bird. Alright, bye-bye.